Hello friends, today we're going to be showing you how to replace your headlight bulb in a 2003 Volkswagen Passat. Alright, first I'm pretty sure you're going to need at least a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, okay? And it's pretty simple. Remember friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that subscribe button so that we can keep on making these videos. And let's get to it. Alright, so you got these two clips right here, one clip, two clips. So you gotta pop the clips back like this. Okay, that's one. This is two. See, you got both of them out. So now you wanna pry gently, on that cap right there, back. Okay. This is just to prevent moisture or water or debris to get into the headlight assembly. Okay, now you can see right there is your connector for the headlight bulb. So what you're gonna need to do is maybe because it's kind of tricky to get the tap, because you gotta pull the tap. So that's why I'm gonna use the screwdriver. See right there? Just pull it back. And this way, see? Just be gentle on it, you don't wanna break it or anything. So now here is your connector. Just put it aside. Now in order to take the light bulb out, it's gonna have that gray retainer. It's a plastic retainer. It actually says on and off. Okay, so now you gotta rotate that gray retainer like counterclockwise. Okay, so now let's do this, and then you just pull back. So once you pull back, it comes out like this. See? So it says that it's a HB5 light bulb. HB5 light bulb. Okay, so if you're looking for this light bulb, we're gonna leave it in a link below, so you can get it online. All right. So in order to put it back, you gotta take the retainer apart from the light bulb. Okay, it was something like this. It came out like this. So you just take the retainer, pull it back like this, and you're gonna put just your light bulb in. Okay, so you got this. You see that the light bulb is got these 3 notches right here, so they gotta fit in a specific position into the headlight assembly. Okay. All right. So you just maybe you try rotating it, but usually if you paid attention, it's gonna be the position it was when you were taking it out. Okay, so it's gonna be like this right there. See, it's important that it goes all the way in, because there is an O-ring that prevents water from getting inside the headlight. Right now that is in position. Now you get your retainer, just slide it above the light bulb, and same thing, just twist it to the right until it clicks. Right, now you got it in really firm and nice. Just put your connector back on. Make sure it stays on. Right, and then your plastic cover. All right, now you got your cover back in position. Clip back in, second clip right here, and that's it, friends. All right, thank you for watching, and if you had any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching the video, and remember, hit that subscribe button. Okay, see you next time.